It wasn't finished because I didn't have enough time, but basically it has a chassis that's connecting it directly to the ultrasonic, which can't move because it's locked in place. It has big wheels on the outside, and the interior has wheels that can't be disturbed so that when, say, another robot pushes it, it won't tangle and hit the wheel. And also, because I didn't have enough time to build a RAM and everything, I just substituted it with something to go under and push the other robot down. And also I raised this up so that if I could also push with this part. And yeah.
So Aditya, why do you think you didn't have enough time?
I didn't have enough time because unlike the others, I didn't have the study block. I had to go for another class.
Okay, now.
This is my robot. I put an ultrasonic at the front so it could sense other robots, and for our sumo, I felt that our chassis wasn't that strong, so I put a stronger platform for the NXT to be mounted on, so that it wouldn't be easily, it couldn't be like taken apart easily. I also put something like it seems like a ball bearing, but it works just like it, and it helps it turn, and it makes the robot better at pivot turns, because if you just put wheels at the sides, then it's very hard for it to turn in place, and it would actually have to move to turn. I put gears small to big for torque, so that it has power to push other robots out, and my program was just to allow the robot to spin in place and sense other robots and then charge. And I put this here so that it could just use this to push other robots out.
Cool. So any reflections on this version 2 Mini? Was it better? Was it improved?
I felt that this was improved because our chassis before wasn't as strong, and I didn't really make use of the side pegs as much as I did here.
Okay.
I felt that it kind of got worse because since we didn't have, and I didn't have enough time as I did with the other robot, so I can improve it, and also I'm only using 2 motors instead of 3, and it's like, that one was more like an unmovable fortress, and this one's just like could be pushed around. It's like you can't substitute big for small here.
Okay. Stephen, did you think you had enough time, being that you also had class?
I was a little rushed, but I felt that it was okay. I didn't really have that much time to test it out, but I had enough time to build it and